Alright, hello. This is video number 1 of my March tune recap that I do every month. This is month 3 now, and I am at the Boyne City Farmers Market. I just finished up a set with John Worsler. So I'm going to start off with a tune requested by Chuck Boyer last month. Chuck is a good friend who comes up and occasionally plays sessions at Beard's Brewery with us. So we're hoping to see him again this summer, but this is for you, Chuck. You requested Neil Gall's Lament. Stay tuned for 2 and 3.